we are not going to give up. Be sure that those reforms that are crucially important for our people are going to be proceeded by this government, and will do everything that is possible to fulfill all obligations and to bring Serbia on the end of the day in European Union. Even though we understand the difficulties in European Union today. We understand enlargement fatigue. We understand the consequences of financial crisis. We understand that unemployment is becoming more painful than before in all European Union countries. We understand the challenge of climate changes. We understand all global and particular European challenges, but we know what is our legitimate interest and why this interest, this national interest to become member state of European Union is in accordance with European interests.